What is going on, my friends? Hank here from SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling with an important update for you all regarding the Great Aces group build and virtual model competition. We've got just about 1 week remaining in our contest, and I've already started to see a bunch of fantastic submissions coming in. With that said, as of about noon Eastern Standard Time on September 22nd, I've responded with contestant numbers to everyone who has properly submitted his or her build for the contest. So if you've got an email from me responding to your submission that includes a contestant number, then you're all set. Nothing else for you to do until voting starts. If you have not gotten a response from me with an official contestant number, then one of a few things might be wrong. So here's a quick recap of how to officially submit your build for the contest, just to make sure everybody's doing this right. You've got to send an email to hank@spruesnbrews.com with Great Aces group build submission in the subject line. Submissions will only be accepted via email. No DMs, no Discord posts. Official submissions are only going through email. And in that email, you've got to include one picture of your finished aircraft. That's the really important part. The build has to be finished. I've gotten a lot of emails with work in progress builds or builds that haven't been started yet asking to join the contest officially, but this is really important. You can only officially enter the contest when your build is complete. So to recap, send one picture of your finished build via email to hank@spruesnbrews.com. Use Great Aces group build submission in the subject line, and then I'll respond with a contestant number, and then you're officially in. So thank you guys for following these guidelines. This is the best way to make sure our contest is fair and that everyone is playing by the same rules. Now, if you haven't finished your build or submitted your entry yet, you've still got some time. A lot can get done in a week, so stick with it. You've got until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 1st to send everything in. I know you guys can do it. All right, friends, with that quick message, get back to work. Be well, happy building. Cheers.